okay, Zubin.
Sandra, okay.
It's Choma Apota.
Chinye Wilfred.
Walter Kalada Anga.
I will encourage you to keep watching.
Keep watching. Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Keep watching. Keep watching.
Hollywood Picture.
TV.
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 Hollywood Picture.
TV.
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 We strangers on this road, we travelers in this world. We need love, we need faith, we need trust and friends. So never, never, never say you will go from this life. Never feel it, never want it, never think it, never wish it. It's a beautiful life. Why do you give a faith, say you want to go. Where you go, I follow. Where you go, I flow. Oh, I love you so. Never say you will find another life. Never think it, never feel it, never want it. Oh, I love you so. Where you go, I follow. Say you want to go. Where you go, I flow. It's a beautiful song. Watching your life burn out like a candle. I'm holding on. Wish you never go. Where you go, I follow. Where you go, I flow. Please, darling, don't blow away like the snow. Never say you will go from this life. Never feel it, never want it, never think it, never wish it. It's a beautiful life. Why do you give a faith, say you want to go. Where you go, I follow. Where you go, I flow. Oh, I love you so. Never say you will find another life. Never think it, never feel it, never want it. Oh, I love you so. Where you go, I follow. Say you want to go. Where you go, I flow. It's a beautiful song. Watching your life burn out like a candle. I'm holding on. Wish you never go. Where you go, I follow. Where you go, I flow. Please, darling, don't blow away like the snow.
Hello? Hello, Olivia. You at my gate? Alright, come on in then. Olivia, how are you today?
I'm good. Well, I've been paid my first salary, and I was kind of hoping you'd agree to take me shopping. I need to get a few things.
You were paid? It's not month end yet, is it?
I know, but she paid me anyway.
Really, she did. It's alright. Sit down, make yourself comfortable. I'll just get my car key.
David. Just wanted to say thank you. You're a good man.
Thank you. Sit down. You know, so that was how I came to live in Abuja and started my own company. So, your turn.
My turn what?
tell me about yourself?
There's nothing to tell. You already know all there is to be known about me.
I only know that you're sick and that you live with that woman and that you never Joffrey. So I don't really know much. I mean, come on, I'm your friend. I've known you for over 2 weeks now. At least every friend is supposed to know a little about his friend. Please?
Well, you're right. You've been very good to me, and the least I can do is tell you the whole truth about me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. My full name is Olivia Abel White. I'm the only surviving member of the Abel White family, which consisted of 2 girls and a boy. I lost my brother and sister to sickle cell. My brother was the first to go, and after he died, my father left my mom with her 2 girls because he discovered we all had the disease. 3 years later, my sister died. And my mom died only 2 years ago in a plane crash. So you see, this is me trying to get used to the fact that I'll be joining the family legacy. You know, I have mixed feelings about this because I'm happy I get to see my family again. But the fear of the unknown.
Whoa, whoa, my God is love. I will survive. Yeah, yeah. I do not worry. I know love is here. I do not cry. Love lives with me. My God is here. God is love. Whoa, whoa. The storm shall rise. The tempest will rage. Only the wise prepares for the stage. Prepare my heart. Set me apart.
Why have you brought us back here? Why are you lighting a candle?
I'm in love with this candle. It is right before my eyes. Yet as it burns bright and beautiful like this, my pain just grows heavier. Because I know it's burning out. I know it is dying slowly. Still I love it. I'm trying to stop it from dying. But the candle just dies and it's killing me. And I'm pleading with it. I'm begging it. I'm saying, candle, please, will you stay alive for me? Will you stay with me a little more? Will you be here? Don't go. But still it dies. And it just kills me. It just kills me on and on. Watching your life burn out like a candle. I'm holding on. Wish you never go. Where you go, I follow. Where you glow, I flow. Please, darling, don't blow away like the snow.
So, are you coming in?
I just got home.
Because of Geoffrey?
You two have a lot to talk about, I'm sure.
Okay.
Take care. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
I see you're still hanging with that guy.
What are you doing here? And who showed you this place?
Well, I came to thank you actually for the money. I withdrew it, then I called Samson and he gave me your address.
You called Samson. Why didn't you just call me? I'd have given it to you.
Well, I didn't know. I thought you wouldn't give me.
You didn't know. Like you don't know how much I love you, Geoffrey. In a very stupid way, if I may add.
And him?
David is my friend. I know he feels stronger than that for me, but notwithstanding, he's the only companion I have at this moment. Whatever, why are you sitting outside anyway?
I went to the house. They don't know me, so I said I should wait here for you.
I hope you didn't say anything about me, because they don't know anything.
No, I didn't tell them anything.
Alright, let's go inside. You know what? David would have taken this bag.
Olivia, please, I don't like this.
You don't like what?
Why you compare me with David?
Because I wish you could be half the man he is, Geoffrey. Thank you. How are you?
Hi, good evening. You can have a seat.
Thank you.
It'll be better when you see the place I got for you. Bobby, this is for you.
For me?
And Auntie Comfort, this is for you.
I see you went shopping. And don't tell me you use your salary to shop for us.
Well, I didn't need to shop for myself. I have everything I need. My soap, my cream, clothes and shoes. Most especially a home where I'm loved by both of you.
Thank you, Auntie. I'll check them out in Mommy's room.
You will. We'll have fun doing that.
Bobby.
See ya.
Olivia. You see, if angels ever walked on this earth, you must be one. There's something different about you. Something I really can't figure it out.
I need to rest.
Yeah, you need to rest.
Olivia. Olivia.
What is wrong with her?
Don't worry, she'll be fine. Just get a taxi. We need to take her to the hospital.
Olivia!
Don't worry, she'll be fine. Just get a taxi, okay? Please, just get a taxi.
Oh my God, have mercy.
Come on, let's go. Let's go, baby. Oops, yeah. All right.
Olivia. Aunt Olivia. Auntie, the dresses are so beautiful. Aunt Olivia. Mommy. Aunt Olivia.
Madam, please stop crying. Please. She'll be fine. Okay?
I have never seen anyone go through such pain. Poor girl. Did you see the pain she went through before she passed out?
Yeah. God. But it's one of our crises. She'll be fine. It's actually normal with her. When it happens, you know, after a while, she'll be fine. Okay?
What is wrong with her? What did the doctor say?
Well, madam, since Olivia now lives with you, I might as well tell you. You see, Olivia has sickle cell anemia. That's actually the problem. Normally, conditions of stress, depression, or exposure to much heat or cold could trigger off a crisis. In this case, I think it's the whole stress of running around and shopping for today. But don't worry, she'll be fine. Okay? Come on, madam, she'll be fine.
God have mercy. Are you sure she'll be fine?
Madam, she will be fine. The doctor that is taking care of her right now is an experienced hematologist. And he has been doing that for a very long time. She will be fine. Okay? Come on, let's go and see her. She'll be fine. Okay? Let's go and see her. Please. Wipe your tears, please. Let's go.
Too much.
Let's go.
Too much for that poor girl. Too much.
She'll be fine. Let's go and see her. Wipe your tears, okay?
A bit weak, but doctor says I'll be fine. Did you tell her?
Olivia, I just had to. You live with her right now. Isn't it best she knows?
Oh, no. Oh, God, I don't believe you.
Olivia, please, I just had to tell her, at least so she'll know what to do in case of future crisis.
Jeffrey, I don't know what to say to you right now.
Olivia. Are you angry with him? Please don't be. I think it's better I know. You know you're part of my family now. Myself and my daughter love and care about you so much. You'll be fine. Okay? Thank you.
So why exactly are you still hanging around, Joe? Has your love for me finally conquered your fear for death? Or is it just out of pity for a poor dying girl? Or maybe you feel obligated because I paid your school fees. Please, if that's the case, don't bother.
No. You see, my love has conquered my fear. And right now, I just want to be with you. Why are you laughing?
It's just how sincere you look when you say these words.
Honey, this is different. Totally different. You know, I've been doing a lot of thinking lately about us, and I've made up my mind to be with you.
Bobby. Hi.
Come back.
Yes. Olivia, how are you feeling? Fine.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Do you like your dresses?
Yes.
Olivia, I brought part of the money they gave me to settle your hospital bill. Yes, I brought 100,000 naira.
Auntie, did you hear Mommy?
Yes, sweetie. I heard. But I'm sorry, I can't take the money.
Why is it small? Don't worry, I can bring all of it.
No, it's not that. I've paid for the bill. I'm sorry. A relative of mine came over and paid the bills. So keep your money. Get yourself a lawyer. That's what's important right now.
Olivia, who told him you're here?
He has as much rights to be here as you do.
David.
Please, come in.
I think I can say it. Yeah, we've been here earlier, so no problem.
How are you today?
We're fine.
I came out and I heard. How are you?
I'm fine. But I'll be much better if the two of you could be friends. Please, for my sake, at least say hi to each other.
Bobby, you don't look happy at all. You're not happy until Olivia's in the hospital, right?
Jeffrey, come on. Okay, if you want me to get out of this hospital alive, you have to say hi to yourselves. I'm sorry. Please.
Look at you. What's your mommy feeling? You're so healthy.
Hi.
Oh. Hello. How are you?
I'm good.
You're in final year, you're not?
Yeah.
And what are you studying?
English.
Alright, don't forget to give me your phone number before you leave here so I could call you from time to time and check on you and send you a little something for school. Okay?
Alright, I'll take your number too.
See? That wasn't so hard, was it? Now, I'm happy. I'm surrounded by everybody I care about. Life is beautiful, after all. getting very hot, so we had better be going. Besides, almost time for Barbie's evening lessons.
Honey, don't you think it's time to come back home? I mean, you've done so much for that family. You've given them money, your time, everything. And come back to a more comfortable environment. Let us take care of this thing together, please.
Having a change of environment was the whole idea in the first place. Besides, I'm happy. I'm finally doing something meaningful with my life. I'm touching the lives of others in a way I never thought possible. Like you know, I've never worked a day in my life. I'm happy doing the job I do, not knowing where my next meal will come from. I'm glad to be living a normal life, no matter how short. Do you understand? And thank you for not telling them where
I feel a lot of joy that this person, man or woman, who remembered me before has remembered me again. And I call for God's blessing to fill him up. I mean, from head to toe. But please tell him we're not going to accept his money unless we see him in person. Tell him it is our utmost desire to see the face of a good man who has blessed our lives in more than many ways already.
Hey, madam, there is 1 million naira in this envelope here. Do you realize how much money you are rejecting?
What my mommy is saying is we will no longer accept help from a person we don't know and cannot say thank you to.
Okay, I will tell him what you've said. But please do accept this one that he has sent already. I will tell him before I send any other one more.
Please. Please take the money back to him. And tell him to reveal his kind self to us first.
Okay.
So right now, I need somebody to act as a benefactor. Anybody you can think of?
I think we'll call that Jones. Yeah. Comfort hasn't seen it before, so I think you can.
Joe, you know how I feel about that friend of yours. I mean, Okon? No, he's too lousy.
Well, Okon is lousy, I accept. He is, but he can't do it.
Olivia, surprised to see you here. Geoffrey, how far now? Una don't settle. I be she no die again.
Okon, did I tell you she was dying?
Sorry, I'll be inside.
What did you do? Go about telling the whole world I'm sick and dying?
It's really, wait, don't get upset with me, please. It's not how it happened. I just needed someone to confide in. It's not how it happened, please. Don't get angry, okay?
Just brief him on it and get back to him.
Honey, don't get angry, please. It's... Okon! First of all, Okon, I'm not going to shout and scream at you for being so insensitive and letting your mouth drip. I'm not even going to get upset for this particular day that you've done me wrong, Okon.
Bro, sorry now. I was only excited when I saw both of you together. You know, now I begin talk. I talk good talk, bad talk.
You know we political science students, we talk too much. Forgive me now.
Anyways, whatever. Okon, we need you to assist us.
Who is we?
Olivia and I now. Who else?
I did hear you.
As I was saying, we need you to pretend to be a very rich man. Now, the story is very simple. Olivia is living with a family in Lupe. A woman that has been divorced by the husband, and she's living with the daughter. Now, Olivia has been sending them money. She sent the first one and they accepted. She sent the second one, they did not accept.
Why? Are they crazy?
Okon, can you just keep quiet? Let me finish.
I'm quiet. Continue.
Now, they desire to see the person that's been sending them the money. At least to thank the person before accepting the next one.
Strange. This is very strange. It beats my imagination as to why some people behave this way.
Well, Okon, my friend, it is called decency. Everybody is not like you. Some people are decent.
Or like you, Geoffrey. Now you know like money. You think I don't know why you are dating Olivia?
Okon, please. Let's not digress and forget the matter at hand, please.
Now, you want me to act as the benefactor, helping this woman and her child, Abby?
Exactly.
I can do it. But you and Olivia have to pay me money, cash.
Try this on. There are about 5 different Senegalese brocades in there. And try each of them so I will know the one that best gives you the look we want.
Is it the look you want or the look I want?
Shut up, you too talk. You make a come out.
Oh boy, don't tell me to shut up. And I'll go to that woman and her daughter and tell her what people are up to. You don't know this one is impersonation.
How can you say that kind of thing? Who are we impersonating? Who?
Am I a rich man? Do I have 5,000 naira in my account? I'm pretending to be a rich man. Is that not impersonation?
I beg, hurry up. I have a lot of things to do today.
But there's no blue now. I like blue. Only sky blue. Well, I'll manage it.
You're back. How did it go? This is all I could get. After paying the lawyer and Babi's school fees.
Oh, so you paid for her school fees as well? That's very good. Yeah. But does that mean you won't be needing the governance anymore?
No. Come on. You're part of the family now. Okay. Anyway, I had only 3,000 naira on me, so I couldn't buy frozen chicken to fry for him.
Is that what's bothering you?
Yes. At least our benefactor will know we're not ungrateful.
Don't worry. I'm sure he would appreciate whatever we give him. But if you insist, I can always give you some of my salary.
No. You can't do that. Keep it. You will need it. Okay? At least our benefactor will have to do without fried chicken. He knows we are not well to do for us. He knows it.
Trust me, I don't think you'll mind. Why don't you rest? And I'll prepare this food myself.
I have to help you. Yes.
Some people are here.
Hey. Auntie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. You're welcome. Is this the man who said I and my family should not die? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, you're correct, madam. Mr. Okoniwala.
Oh my God. Yay. Young man, may the kindness and mercy of the Lord follow you all the days of your life.
Madam, thank you.
And as you have extended life to me and my family, may God extend life to you bountifully.
Amen. Sit up. Please do not kneel down for me. I received from God without paying a price. So do I give to your family without a price.
Thank you very much.
May God bless you too, and the whole house.
But still, God bless you.
Thank you.
You see, you're very much welcome to my humble home. Please, I have prepared something little for you to eat.
Thank you.
I beg you, can we go? I beg.
Okay.
Hey, God bless you. You didn't say you would take it
You see, when I first started business, I started as a rice merchant. I got my money through hard work, sheer doggedness, and the will to succeed. Unfortunately for me, I succeeded. It is always good to have money in your bank account, but I think it is always better to, bring out some to help people. I mean, the poor.
Please, sir, but how did you know us?
Little girl, there was this day I was passing by with my Jaguar, and I saw this man rain abuse at you. I almost set my mopol on him, but then I said, what the hell? And I left him. That was the day I knew people.
Oh, that must be my ex-husband.
Yes. So I was told by some people around, and they even told me about the divorce. So I said to myself, these are the kind of people I should help. This woman and her child need help. So I sent my boy here, Samson, and sent him to you with some money.
Well, sir, may God bless you abundantly for helping this family.
Amen.
Auntie, let's eat.
It's one of those things I normally do. Helping the poor. I normally, sorry, this is very cheap. It's not of my class. And besides, my servants normally do it in my house, so I don't do things like this. So let's drink.
I heard you were too much. I heard you were exceptional.
You need to be there to see how I did it. I am a natural actor, forget.
Wait, Okon. What are you feeling like?
I do am well now.
No, tell me, what are you feeling like? Because I said you did it well. Okon, I think. Anyway, she asked me to give you this.
And how much is this?
20 grand. All for you.
But I don't pass that level. Take this money back to her and tell her to give me 200,000, or else I'll expose everything.
Okuma.
The whole grandma was speaking for 20,000. Go ahead, no, they're gonna just no start now. I know this money will give out.
Why are you living like this?
I told you I didn't trust that friend of yours. Now look at it. How am I supposed to give him 200,000 for just posing as a rich man? What does he mean? I mean, it's not like he has a genuine problem or something that I have to help him with. Look, Sweetie, this is cheap blackmail. Honestly, honey, I'm not falling for it.
Honey, I know. I understand what you're saying, but let's just give him the money and let him go with his troubles. Next time, we'll look for a more decent person to use.
Next time? Like I'm supposed to show her different people every day as her benefactor?
Well, guess we are stuck on a cone then.
I don't like this. In fact, I'm not falling for it.
Sweetie, I don't like it too. Honestly, I don't, but I don't know. Let's just give it to him and let him go. Okay?
Complete. 200,000 naira cash. Here's your share. 50-50. 100,000 naira for you. But you know we can make more money if you cooperate. Man, this lady has money. Forget about love. Let's see if we can buy ourselves a car each out of this deal.
Kun, you are a devil.
I know. But think about cruising around the campus in your own car. Babes go dey hail. Think I'm well. Think I'm well. More money. Tell her I need 1 million naira more.
Okon, you're crazy. I mean, what makes you think it matters to Olivia whether Comfort knows or not?
Geoffrey, Olivia needs that family. With her health condition, that family is the only psychological peace she has. So, she'll pay any amount not to lose the family. You think I'm stupid, Daddy? I have put 2 and 2 together. So just tell her. See, you don't like money.
Look, honey, I know, but let's just give him the money and let him go.
My friend, we will do no such thing. 1 million for what?
Honey, I understand what you're saying. I'm not happy about the situation, but let's just give... Sweetie, listen. Okon is actually a bag of troubles. Let's just settle this guy and let him go, please.
That's what you said the first time. 200,000, now he's asking for 1 million. What's the guarantee that we'll give him this one and he won't ask for another one? Look, listen to me. I'm not giving him. I'd rather throw that money at a beggar on the street.
Honey, if we don't settle him, he's going to tell Comfort, and I don't think you would like it.
Let him go. Let him do his worst. I'm not giving him.
Honey.
Geoffrey, you don't return. You mean say money don't deal. Where is it?
Bro, she refused though. She said she's not paying a kobo. Not even a single kobo.
You are a liar. Geoffrey, you are a liar. Okay. You collected the money and want to keep it to yourself, right?
Okon, can you just keep quiet and listen?
Keep quiet for where now? When I collected 200k, and we shared it 50-50 without you asking me. Now it's your turn, you prefer to treat me like this. No trouble, no trouble.
Okon, can you just listen to me, please?
Look, bet me. You must vomit that money. Wait and watch.
Okon, she said she's not paying what? Not even a kobo. Okon. Okon, come. Okon.
Okay. You don't see the tree. Okay, just they walk straight, they come. Okay.
Yes, Okon, what is it?
Olivia, make we greet now. Which one?
I'm not here to smile with you, alright? Just tell me what is so urgent that you needed to see me. Like you know, I don't care for you one bit. Neither do I trust you. So please, hurry.
You don't trust me, but you trust Geoffrey, your boyfriend, I think. Okay, for your information, the 200,000 naira you gave to me, we shared it 50-50. Here you get. Oh, you don't know? Okay, that one is by the side. My problem is that you gave him 1 million naira now. He has kept everything to himself. He refused to give me my own share. So I told him, I'll come and expose you. This is why I'm here.
I don't believe you.
Oh, you don't believe me? Okay. That's one now, no problem. The thing I want now, money. If you don't give me money, I'll go to Comfort. I'll expose you. I'll tell her that you are not the poor girl you pretend to be. That you're a rich girl. I don't know why you're living with them. Maybe you have a plan, who even knows? So, don't say to me, or if you don't say to me, I go tell him.
You're a devil. You are the serpent himself.
No problem. Just give me money. Now money I want. Money. Olivia! Olivia! You never go? Okay. I go show you. I go Madam Comfort place. You go see. Share you they call me serpent, Abi. Your boyfriend, you know, see the only Hindu. You they call. I go show you serpent style. You know who I am.
Look me in the eye and deny it.
Honey, this is not how it happened. Please, let me just explain.
Take 100,000 from Oko.
And yeah, I did, but it's not. Can I just?
Again, you disappoint me. Haven't I shown you love? Haven't I given you enough love, Geoffrey? Tell me, what wrong have I done to you to deserve this kind of treatment? This level of betrayal. Is that what I mean to you? Is that all that I am to you? A bank? That in my condition, at this critical point in my life, you still have the heart.
Sweetie, please, can I just explain? It's not what you think.
I don't ever want to see your face again. You don't look for me because you won't find me.
But you don't do this.
I do not worry, I know love is here. I do not cry, love lives with me. My God is here, God is love. The storm shall rise, the tempest will rage. Only the wise prepares for the stage. Prepare my heart.
Yes, who is it?
You see it. What I don't understand is why you keep going back again and again. Why you keep standing for his shit and he keeps giving it to you again and again.
David, please. This is not why I'm here, okay?
Alright. I know why you're here. To cry on my shoulders. He breaks your heart and you come crying on my shoulders. Now have you for once paused to imagine how this hurts me as well? Have you ever for once imagined how this might be hurting me as well? How it breaks my heart to watch a hooligan break your heart repeatedly? Huh? Have you?
Please stop yelling, okay?
I'm going to stop yelling. But this is where it all stops. This is where you choose. Geoffrey or me. You say loving him keeps you alive, but I tell you, Olivia, loving him is what will kill you. Do you want to die of a broken heart before the sickle cell kills you? Is that what you want to do?
That was how they paid me 200,000 naira to pretend to be the one helping you people. I am not the one helping you. I am a poor final year student. Olivia is the one sending the whole money. Olivia is a rich girl. In fact, the money her family has can buy half of Gwarimpa Estate. I don't know why she's living here. And I don't know why she's pretending to be poor.
Mr. Okon, we've heard all you said. But please, where is Olivia now?
Yes, where's my aunt?
I don't know, but you can call Samson or Geoffrey. They will know.
Oh, David. Geoffrey. Thank God you're here. David, do you know why I called you? Because I wanted you to witness firsthand the result of your antics. David. The result of your handiworks, Geoffrey.
David, what are you talking about?
All thanks to extortion antics.
Oh, okay, David, where's the doctor right now, please?
The doctor isn't there with her. I'm thinking of phoning comfort as well.
Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. It's going to create panic, and we don't want that right now, please.
Geoffrey, what do you know about panic?
Look, I know this is my fault, but don't worry, she'll be fine, okay? She'll be fine. Look, this whole thing is, it happens all the time. It's part of our crisis. She'll be fine. I know that, okay? Please.
What kind of hooligan are you, Geoffrey? Doctor, how is she?
Oh, yeah, doctor. How is she?
She suffered a brain stroke. Dead cells sticking to blood vessels in the brain. She must have been stressed or depressed, We gave nitric oxide to free cells from the cells. And we gave her butyric acid to increase the level of hemoglobin in her blood.
Doctor, please, how is she right now?
So, how is she now? Can we go and see her? Is she awake?
We gave her the best. But the poor child is gone.
What?
Doctor, gone as in gone to where?
What do you mean gone?
Yes, she died.
It's okay. Doctor, I'm talking about Olivia. The same one that came to my house and we spoke and I brought her here and she passed out in my house and then we came to the hospital. And then you said she was going to be alright.
She died.
And then she went to the ward.
We tried our best.
Doctor gone?
Calm down, please.
Doctor gone? Gone to where?
She died. Just take it easy, okay? Take it, Sarah. Take it out.
they could always have to die? Why did you take her away from us? We know you love her, but we love her too. Come on, stop crying, okay?
I'll finish packing our things. But this is what I found in our room. This is your envelope.
It looks like her will. We'll take it to her lawyers. Do you know them?
Yes, I do.
Let's keep it.
They can go now.
And please, let us know of the barrier arrangements. We want to be there.
But I want answers. Where are you hiding until you leave her? I want to see her.
Sorry. She's fine. And Olivia is with God. Yeah, she's safe.
Jofi, I'm sorry.
God, it's already too late. Olivia is dead. God, just get out of this room, please. Please.
Jofi, I might not have gained anything from her life, but I've learned a lot from her death. I will be a changed person. Her death will change me.
God, that's your business. Just get out, please. Just go.
See, Jofi, I've realized the true meaning of faith, integrity, and selflessness. These are all values that far outlast the greed for money. She lived a very good life. I've learned from it.
God, she loved me. She loved me. Olivia loved me. Where am I going to find somebody to love me like that again?
Madam, the gentle lady Olivia left something in her will for all her friends. And these two gentlemen brought it to my chambers. She's made out a sum of 7 million naira for you in this check. For you and for Babi. And I guess you're in the list of her friends too.
Created to touch many lives with happiness. Fly on, angel, and may God grant you rest in his bosom.
Mommy, the whole 7 million for us?
Yes, my dear.
We are okay now. An angel has touched our lives and turned it from sorrow to joy.